Good job. Attention. Salute. Everyone. Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Ready?
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
So we're going back to the fifth strategy of Orange Frog today. Acts of kindness. You always need to remind yourself, are you being kind and are you saying kind words to other people? Right? And if somebody's not kind to you, what kind of choices do you have to do about that? What could you do? Okay? During a moment of silence, I want you to think about how can you be kind today to someone else, or to a lot of people, to other students, to other staff members, when you get home, even at home. Are you kind to your parents, your family, your siblings?
Yes.
Okay. So, moment of silence, I want you to think about how can you be kind, or how are you going to be kind today? Ready? Begin. Thank you. I hope you have some good thoughts. For lunch today, it's pepperoni pizza, carrots, ranch, corn, and mixed fruit. Okay. We have a birthday, not today, but on April the 7th, and that is Riley Primo, and she's here this morning. Come on up, Riley. She's going to pick out her birthday pencil, and we're going to sing happy birthday. All right, front and center. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have a great birthday weekend, Riley. Celebrations. We have a couple of celebrations. Ruthie, she's here. She is getting her certificate for her multiplication facts in under 6 seconds. And Mrs. Smith says, I am so proud of your hard work in working towards the goal of mastering multiplication. Now on to... That's right. And in Miss Tebow's class, is Eliana here? No. Okay. This is day 2, so I'm going to skip it to
Aliana?
Eliana.
Okay. Sorry.
I can give it to her. She has her addition facts in under 6 seconds. So congratulations to her. All right, I'm going to try these 2 today also. Persephone. She's not here, so I'm going to go ahead and read it. She has passed her kindergarten sight word list, okay? I'm going to give it to Darian, and he can give it to her when she gets here. And Millie is not here. She also passed her kindergarten word list. So congratulations to those students. All right. Oh, let's back up. Announcements. Yes, it says a talent show. I'm going to be typing up a paper to send home with you soon. What would be a talent show? It means that you're going to get the opportunity to come up here and everybody's going to get to watch your talent. Something that you are good at that you can show others. Things like maybe you want to come sing a song. Maybe you want to come up here and do a dance. Or maybe you have a group that you might do a whole dance routine with. Maybe you take gymnastics or tumbling and you want to come up here and show something that you know how to do very well. Maybe you memorize a poem and you want to come recite the poem in front of us so that we can see. Maybe you do a puppet show, or maybe you're in karate and they have routines that they do. I know my kid did it. He would have a whole routine that he would have to go through. Maybe you want to do that. Maybe a trick. Maybe some fancy basketball dribbling or something. Okay? So you're going to have a pair of permission to do it, and I'll send on the paper if you're interested. And this is not only for students, but yes, it is also available for adults. And I know that we have adults here with many, many talents. Okay, so I want you to be thinking about that. Okay? It'll be before the last week of school. Oh, my client didn't show up. We're not doing the football pro. We are doing beach ball frenzy today. Now listen, I have on this little paper, I spun the wheel, and whatever the wheel number landed on, that's the kid that got chosen for each class. So the lucky winners are, when I call your name, come up front. Sophia Yanes, come on up. Victoria. Jason Scott. Victoria not here? Okay. Caitlin, Weir, DJ, Morrow, Jackson Yelpy, Riley Primo, and it's her birthday weekend. Imagine that. Soledad, Umberto. Oh, bummer. Micah in 1H. Micah, come on, Micah. Taylor, Roland, Evan, Ruiz, Nina, Ruth. Take your backpack off, Nina. Sophia Rush, Josiah in the Steins class. See them here? Nicole Garcia. Bryce in Tebow's class. Oh, wait. And Catalina in Webb's. Come on up. All right, I might have to get a little bit of adjustment on the camera. Okay, instead of the 3 groups, we'll do 2. If you're not here, that's perfect. If you're not here, you missed out on your chance to participate. So what we're going to do is, I need Sophia over here, and Nina, stay right there. Evan, stay there, and Jericho, come here. Taylor, Micah, Katarina, Soledad, Riley, Jackson, Sophia, Jason, Caitlin, and DJ. That turned out perfect. Okay, make a circle. Make a circle with your group. This is your group. Make a circle. If I were you, I would not put the little beside each other. Now, hold your arms out to touch the person beside you, and then step back. Take one big step back. Because you need a little bit of room. All right, now, beach ball frenzy. DJ, you're going to get a beach ball. Caitlin, you're going to get a beach ball. The goal is you're going to be hitting the beach ball up in the air, and it cannot touch the ground. If it touches the ground, oh, then you're not a winner. You're going to lose. Yeah, I know. Caitlin's like, excuse me, because we don't say losers, but there's always a winner and there's always a loser in a game. So have his perfect